Are you struggling to build an email list because writing a lead magnet from scratch takes way too long? Today I'm reviewing a brand new system called the AI Content Recycling Blueprint. It promises to give you a complete high-converting funnel for just $1. But is the quality actually good enough to put your name on? Let us find out. Welcome back to App Verdict. Here is my honest first impression. If you are a beginner with no email list and you're tired of wasting weeks trying to create freebies, this is a no-brainer. It completely removes the tech headaches. However, to actually make money with this, you need to know exactly how to drive traffic to it, which is why I have put together a massive custom bonus package for you when you buy through my link below. I will show you those bonuses in just a minute. So, what exactly is the AI Content Recycling Blueprint? In simple terms, it's a complete business in a box. It's a done-for-you lead magnet package that teaches your audience how to use AI to turn old content into fresh, profitable products. This is perfect for affiliate marketers, bloggers, or anyone who needs to build a buyer list fast. It solves the biggest problem beginners face. You do not have to write a single word, and you don't need to hire an expensive graphic designer. Let me show you exactly what you get inside the package. First, you get a premium 3,160-word report. It's expertly written, pre-formatted, and ready to give away immediately. Next, you get the actual funnel pages. You receive a mobile-responsive lead capture squeeze page and a thank you delivery page. You do not need any expensive monthly page builders to use these. They work right out of the box. You also get a full folder of professional product graphics and promotional banner images in all the popular sizes to run your ads. Finally, you get the fully editable source files. You get the Word documents and the PSD files, so you can change the name, rebrand it as your own, and drop your own affiliate links inside the text. Now let's talk about the pricing and the funnel. The front-end package I just showed you is only $1 right now during the launch special. When you go to checkout, you'll see an order bump for the 30-day traffic plan for $9.97. I highly recommend checking this box. A great funnel is useless without eyeballs, and this gives you the exact swipe files to push traffic immediately. After you buy, you'll see OTO1, which is unrestricted PLR for $17. The $1 version gives you standard rights, meaning you can give it away. But if you want total freedom to sell the PLR rights to other people and keep 100% of the profits, you need to grab this upgrade. It's the easiest way to start your own digital product business. Because I want to make sure you actually get traffic and build a massive list with this, I've put together an exclusive bonus package. You get all of these for free when you click the link in the description below and grab your $1 copy today. Bonus 1. WP Swift Page Plugin. This will instantly speed up your site and keep visitors from bouncing before they opt in. Bonus 2. Lead Book Generator. Easily integrate Facebook lead ads right into your autoresponder. Bonus 3. Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. Find hidden, highly profitable search terms on Google and YouTube to rank your funnel pages. Bonus 4. Article Analyzer. Optimize your blog content to pull in free organic search traffic. Bonus 5. Email List Secrets. A full video tutorial on how to actually monetize the emails you collect. Bonus 6. FB Viral Turbo Machine. Force people to share your lead magnet on Facebook before they are allowed to download it. Bonus 7. Pin Marketer. Automate your Pinterest tasks for a steady stream of free buyer traffic. Bonus 8. Gram Suite. Put your Instagram growth on absolute autopilot to attract followers while you sleep. Bonus 9. WP Social Traffic Reseller License. I'm giving you the rights to sell this powerful traffic plugin yourself and keep all the money. Bonus 10. WP Tweet Machine 2 Reseller License, another complete product you can sell to your new email list right away. My final verdict is that you cannot go wrong for a single dollar. You're saving hundreds of dollars on freelance writers and designers. But you must act fast. This $1 launch special is ending very soon. If you close the page and come back later, the price will jump to $67. Plus, my exclusive App Verdict bonus stack is strictly limited to the first 50 people who buy through my link. Once those spots are gone, I'm pulling the bonuses down. Click the link in the description below right now to secure your copy for $1 and lock in all 10 of your free bonuses. Thank you for watching this app verdict review. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions about the funnel, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews. To claim your bonuses, just click the link below, complete your purchase, and your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus receipt area. See you in the next video.